Hello and welcome to your new GoodBarber tutorial. Today we'll learn how to duplicate the content of your CMS sections. This feature is useful if you want to reuse existing content of your app. For example, to create a second article in a different language, you just need to translate the text in the copy of the article. To add a new event that is very similar to an existing one, you just need to edit a few elements that need to be changed, etc. You can duplicate specific elements. An article from your blog, an event from your calendar section, or a point in a map. And entire sections that only include one element: About section, Form section. In my free Aspa app, I use the article section to present my catalog. An article describes a treatment and the structure is always the same. It's easier for me to duplicate the articles and modify the content in the existing structure. So I go to the menu My App, Content List. I choose my reference article. At the very bottom of the page, simply click on Duplicate. A copy of this article is automatically created with Copy Off at the beginning of the article title. I change what I need. You see, it's much faster than if I had to redo everything from the beginning. By default, my new article is in a draft status. I publish and voila. Now let's look at a whole section. I'll duplicate my form section. I use it as a booking form for my treatments. I want to have two specific forms for massages and facials. I can do exactly the same thing by entering the content of my form and clicking on Duplicate, or I can go to the menu My App, Content Sections. I hover over my section and click on the icon with the three dots. Here I click on Settings. In the menu on the right, I can find the duplication option. Then it's the same process. A new section called Copy Off is created. I make my modification, publish it, and voila! You now know how to easily duplicate your CMS content. See you soon for another tutorial.